Welcome. Today we will be talking about the irregular commands. Commands are when you tell somebody to do something or to not do something, most likely towards your peers.
There are two types of commands, affirmative and negative. To form a affirmative command is very simple. You just take the verb, you put it in its third person form, and you're done. That's simple. But for negative commands, you have to first put it in its first person form, then you would drop the O and add the opposite to ending. But you gotta be careful.
There are still stem changers as well as car, gar, and zar verbs. Car ending verbs change to QU, gar ending verbs change to GU, and zar ending verbs change to C. There are a list of irregulars that follow the acronym SIDES and PSDVDISH. SIDES is used for negative commands and PSDVDISH is for affirmative commands.
So, for negative commands, there's the acronym SIDES. That stands for saber, ir, dar, estar, and ser. And for affirmative commands, the acronym PSTVDISH stands for the verbs poner, saber, tener, venir, dar, ir, ser, and hacer. All of these verbs will have a different conjugation in their forms, but these are the only ones. An example of a negative command would be don't eat, and you would conjugate that as no comas. Because it is a negative command, you have to change the ending to the opposite to ending.
No comas. Another example of an affirmative command would be wash the car. To wash the car, you would conjugate lavar, which is to wash, in the third person singular. The answer would be lava el coche.
Limpia el coche. Perfecto.
Our last example is going to be a car, gar, zar verb. Our verb in pizar means to begin. Our example is start your engine. And to conjugate that, you take the car, gar, zar verb, which is in pizar, take off the ZAR, and put a C and conjugate it in the third person. And motor, or engine is motor, so your answer would be empecé to motor.
And now for some questions. If I wanted to say, don't do your homework, how would you? If I wanted to say, don't have fun in my house, how would I say that? And for the last question, what if I wanted to say, go to bed?
These are all the irregulars, again, as well as the acronym to remember them, SIDES and PSDVDISH. Also remember that you need to be wary of the car, gar, zar, and stem changer verbs. If you are able to remember them, then you should be good.